Hi everybody, my name is Matteo Vignetti and I am an ESR INFIERI Fellow working at the Institut de Nanotechnologie de Lyon in France. I started my PhD about 2 years ago, and with the INFIERI Work Package 2, I've been working on the development of novel pixel sensors based on 3D CMOS technology for tracking devices. Our goal is to realize a CMOS demonstrator of a position-sensitive detector for charged particles, based on coincidence detection concept. The core of it is a 3D pixel consisting of two vertically aligned Geiger mode avalanche diodes. When a charged particle hits the pixel, two avalanche pulses are coincidentally produced, and after being processed by dedicated electronics, a valid count is assessed. In this way, it is possible to discriminate valid events from false avalanches due to electron pairs generated by photoelectric effect or thermal and field-assisted generation phenomena in the diode space charge region. During the past 2 years, I've been facing several challenges for the design of a detector demonstrator. Concerning the 3D pixel, I started from the design of an avalanche diode capable of working in the Geiger mode and with an acceptable level of dark counts. I've been therefore looking for suitable avalanche diode architectures and CMOS process and studied the different possibilities by means of TCAD simulations. I then moved to the design of the pixel electronics, both at the 2D level by conceiving dedicated electronics to correctly drive the diode in the Geiger mode, as well as at the 3D level, providing a coincidence detection circuit able to adjust the time coincidence window for our needs. The design of the electronics took into account the need of a flexible testability during the characterization phase, as well as the presence of parasitics due to the 3D integration. Concerning the 3D integration of the detector, we decided to go for a flip chip assembly for our first demonstrator, mainly because the dedicated 3D technology applies only at the wafer level and would have been too costly for the realization of a small demonstrator. However, dedicated 3D technologies provide a much better performance in terms of parasitics and compatibility for very large scale of integration. We then managed to get everything ready for a tape-out submission by laying out pixel and metric cells as well as text structures for different purposes. The topmost metal layer has been carefully designed to provide a conductive interface compatible with the adopted flip chip assembly. I'm currently working on the setup for the device testing and characterization. We have already run some basic tests to check that everything's alright, as well as to get some preliminary results. However, a dedicated testing board is under development for a full characterization of the demonstrator. The characterization result will provide an important feedback for possible improvements and further developments. Stay tuned on the INFIERI website for any update about my work.